Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to see respondents on Google Forms. If you've sent out a form and want to check who responded and what they submitted, this guide will walk you through viewing all that data clearly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that created or has access to the form you want to review. This step is essential because you can only view responses for forms linked to your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, navigate to the Recent Forms section where all your previously created forms are listed. Scroll through and click on the form you want to see respondents for. This will open the form editor where you can view and manage everything related to that specific form. Once the form is open, look at the top toolbar and click on Responses. This tab is where all the magic happens, as it contains every submission from your respondents. Clicking here switches your view from the form editor to the response summary, giving you immediate access to all collected data. Now click on Summary. This view provides you with an overview of all the data, including correct responses for every question and visual charts that break down the results. It's a great way to get a quick snapshot of how people answered your form and identify trends or patterns at a glance. If you want to dive deeper into a specific question, click on Question. Here, you can use the drop-down menu to choose the specific question you're interested in. This feature is particularly useful if you have a long form and only need to review responses for a particular section or query. Next, click on Individual. This view allows you to see the points of every respondent individually. You'll be able to review each person's answers one by one, which is helpful if you're grading a quiz or analyzing responses on a case-by-case basis. This personalized view gives you full control over understanding each respondent's submission. If you want even further details or prefer working with data in a more flexible format, click on Link to Sheets. This option lets you export all your form responses into a Google Sheet where you can sort, filter, and analyze the data in more advanced ways. A prompt will appear asking you to create a new spreadsheet. Click on Create New Spreadsheet, then click Create. This will generate a Google Sheet with all your form responses neatly organized. The sheet updates automatically whenever someone submits a new response, keeping your data current and accessible, and that's it. You've now successfully viewed and managed respondents on Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.